All the new A-Class models are powered by new, efficient engines. 2 new 4-cylinder petrol engines are available at market launch. Innovations in the M282 with a displacement of 1.4 liters and up to 120 kilowatts include cylinder shutoff, in conjunction with the 7G DCT transmission, and the delta shape of the cylinder head. The second new petrol engine is the M260 with a displacement of 2.0 liters, 165 kilowatts and 350 Newton-meters. New features include CAMTRONIC for the intake camshaft. Both petrol engine series have low-friction cylinder walls and a particulate filter as standard. Also new is the 4-cylinder diesel OM608, with a displacement of 1.5 liters, up to 85 kilowatts and up to 260 Newton-meters. Its highlights are a near-engine-mounted emission control system with AdBlue registered technology, a turbocharger with optimized response time and water intercooling. A new 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission is also being introduced. Further new engines will follow. The fuel tank has a capacity of 43 liters as standard, with the 51-liter tank optionally available. The following 3 engine variants will be available on the launch of the A-Class, or shortly afterwards. A 200, 120 kilowatts/163 horsepower, 250 Newton-meters, with 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, combined fuel consumption 5.1 liters/100 kilometers, combined CO2 emissions 120 grams/km, or 6-speed manual transmission, combined fuel consumption 5.6 liters/100 kilometers, combined CO2 emissions 133 grams/km. A 250 with 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, 165 kilowatts/224 horsepower, 350 Newton-meters, combined fuel consumption 6.0 liters/100 kilometers, combined CO2 emissions 141 grams/km. A 180D with 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, 85 kilowatts/116 horsepower, 260 Newton-meters, combined fuel consumption 4.1 liters/100 kilometers, combined CO2 emissions 108 grams/km.